Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable cookies in Google Chrome step by step. Some websites and features require cookies to be enabled in order to work properly, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, scroll down and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Third-Party Cookies. Here, you'll see the different options for managing cookies in Google Chrome. If third-party cookies are currently blocked, select Allow Third-Party Cookies. Once you select this option, cookies will be enabled. Websites will now be able to use cookies to remember certain information and provide features that require cookies to work properly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled cookies in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.